Take a look at this picture. It's a picture of my keyboard. Now take a look at this key. This is the key we want to use. It's called the PrintScreen key. Every time you want to take a screenshot on the computer, you need to press the PrintScreen key. As an example, I will take a screenshot of my desktop. I'm going to press the PrintScreen key. Now we need to open a visual editor. Click on the Windows icon and write Paint. If you don't have Paint, you can use any other visual editor. Open it. Now click on Edit and click Paste. A quicker way to do this is to press Ctrl V, as you can see in the shortcut. Now we need to save this image. Click File and click Save As and choose either PNG or JPEG. Click it. Now you can choose a name and click Save. This is how we take a screenshot on Windows. Now you can open your file. Now I'll show you how to take a screenshot of only one part of the screen. Take a look at the picture of the keyboard again. And look at these three keys: Shift, Windows key, and S. If you press these three keys at the same time, you can also take a screenshot. However, in this case, you can choose to only record a certain part of the screen. So for example, in this case, I will only take a screenshot of this part of the screen. You can do this by selecting the part of the screen that you want to record in the screenshot. Now go back to the visual editor. Click in one of the squares to decrease its size. Now go to Edit and Paste. And in this case, I have taken a screenshot of only one part of the screen. Go to File and click Save As. And choose the name you want. And click Save. This is how you take a screenshot of only one part of the screen. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.